Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I think every time I start a video, I have my head on the other way. I turn it around for some reason. I don't know if so y'all can see my face better, but I just noticed I do that. We got a lot of things to do, and I have a special guest coming today, so I'm excited for that. We gotta mess with the Accord. Gotta move things around, clean things up around the shop and everything, because as you guys saw in the last video, talked about how we got another car, which is one of the CGs that we're getting. So this room here has got stuff everywhere. I need to rearrange, organize, so I can put like my tools, my toolbox, all that stuff in here. That shelf up there, whatever's on it, I want to get in these shelves up here, and then probably dismantle that or get rid of it, whatever. See if Dustin wants it. But the toolbox, my welder, all these tool bags and stuff, I gotta organize everything in the toolbox. All this stuff here. This should be good. This is trash. These are trash. And all this I just gotta go through. All this here. And then, yeah. Pretty much rearrange this whole thing. When I start working on this head, getting it cleaned up, poured it, all that stuff, you know. So all in here. We're gonna be porting on both ends. New studs, everything, you know. Because as you guys know, we ordered everything to build a head. So, that'd be dope. But right now, I got my laptop up here and everything. I've been messing with the tuner off camera at home. Not messing with it, but like going through it, trying to get the wideband to read correctly on it and stuff. So the battery's connected. I'm gonna connect the laptop and go from there. All right, so we're looking at the AFRs. What it reads here and what it's gonna read here. So let's go ahead and start it up. It actually started up pretty good, to be honest. So right there's reading 9, 9, 6, 7. This wideband's still heating up. So it's still running. It's showing it's running way off again. I don't know why it's doing that. Right here, it's running 12.7 or 12.13-ish. Run on the wideband. I don't know, but either way, I gotta pull the car out the shop. Also, guys, don't forget, if you want to win the turbo manifold off of the Accord, all you gotta do is enter in the giveaway. Every $5 spent is one entry. Pick yourself up a sticker. If you want to get a t-shirt or something, you know, down in the comments, we'll get it going. You know, a lot of people's entered already, so don't miss your chance. This is a good chance to get a turbo manifold if you all want to start, you know, doing the turbo setup and stuff. And I know manifolds are hard to find for the F23s and stuff like that. And everyone keeps thinking that it's a cast manifold. It's not a cast manifold. It's a log style, but it's a mild steel, so it's not cast. So, special guest should be here shortly and stuff. Got gloves on once again. Just tidying up the shop, cleaning up, moving some tools around and stuff. Because we need to make room for another car in the shop. Oh yeah, so stay tuned for that video too. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and get to clean. Yeah, that's how it kind of was, like what to do. All right guys, so like I said, look, see again, I flipped my hat around. That's so y'all can see this right here, you know what I'm saying? What's up? We had a special guest here. This is for all my, damn, my hat got dirty. Oh well. We got a super special guest. The one, the only. Nursing Garage is in the house, boy. So, y'all love Chevys. Y'all love Hondas. So what happens when you put them together? You're in love. So, I know we talked a lot on my channel about doing the K-swap in this. And I have this. But Angel's going to be picking this up. So he obviously, if you're not following him, you sleeping. His link will be down in the description. He's got his K-swap full-size Chevy. It's a K24 in it now, right?
Yeah, K24.
Because originally it was a K20.
It was a K23 originally.
And then it split in half.
Split in half.
And now it's
K24.
So, we were talking back and forth. You know, he's trying to do a few things to his truck, and I'm like, yo, I have some stuff that you can get for your truck. And he's like, how much you want for it? I said, bro, come through. We'll chill. We'll, you know, shoot the shit and just take it, you know. So that's what he is. He's picking up the 4 link for his truck. I don't need it because I got this, and I want to go coilovers and stuff on my truck, and with this rear end it's kind of different, but I can't use the 4-link with the Ford rear end, unfortunately, but it'll work for him, so why not help out the crew? So that's what it is. So I'm gonna give him a little show in the Accord here in a little bit, and do some two-steppy pop-pops and burnouts, and try and do a little cooling on it. If it does break up like it does in VTEC, I'll just turn VTEC off and stuff and go from there, because obviously VTEC tables aren't completely tuned. But let's see if we can blow up an engine or blow some tires. All right, guys, so he got the 4-link and everything. He gave me a couple shirts. So like I said, his link will be down in the description if you want to check out his channel. But now we're going to turn on the one and only boosted F23 Accord that y'all love so dearly. So go ahead and wake up the neighborhood in this thing. Ooh, that E. That started right up for that E. Yep. Let's make some noise. Alright, so he had like the adapter piece for his turbo manifold for his K-Series truck that had a crack in it. I should have showed it before. I went ahead and welded it on the outside for him and some on the inside, because this whole section was cracked. There's still a little crack right around here. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay a couple of tacks and welds around that baby right there. And it should be good for 800 horsepower. That's the goal, right? 800?
Oh yeah, I'm hitting 500 sometime this year. Well, I hope by July it should hit 500.
Yeah, so
with the setup on.
Hopefully we can pursue this K-swap in this soon. So he's got a couple things that I'm gonna be getting off of him.
Absolutely.
So he's already got a transmission that he said I can get off of him. So
harness.
Yeah, and then I'll have my boy go through that, probably do like carbon synchros in it or whatever to beefing it up a little bit. Yeah, my buddy that's coming up, right? He rebuilds transmissions and stuff. So if you ever need anything rebuilt.
Yeah.
So
just all depends on what trans you decide to go with.
Yeah, honestly, the CD probably will be the best option, like you were saying. I was thinking of doing the AR5 or ZF trans.
I would have went ZF. If I could have redid my whole swap, I would have went ZF. Just because they have so many aftermarket parts for them. They have so many parts for the ZF5s. You can get big gears, little gears. CDs are just real limited. Like they're just like a sealed unit.
Yeah.
You can't really buy aftermarket gears for them.
So I don't know. We'll see what we do. But maybe we'll do the CD09 in it to get it on the road, and then get it ZF later on to go with it. Because obviously we're going to drop a K-Series in a stock form, throw a kit on it, call it a day, and then later on do a built engine. So if y'all want to see that, all you got to do is, hit that thumbs up button and, sub to the channel. That's all you got to do. It literally takes a second to hit the button. Or you can wait to the end of the video when it pops up on the screen and just ready to go. But I'll have his channel and my channel both there, so don't sleep. So that Chevy Honda content coming.
I used to get weird.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're at Walmart. We're getting a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna cook for them. I'm gonna show you them that I can get down in the kitchen. So we're gonna do some steaks and everything like that. So we get that, get back to the house. We're gonna throw down on it. So check it out. Oh, by the way, we left the shop. Just like a spur of the moment kind of thing. So, but I'm excited. I get to cook. It's been a while since I've been out of work. But go back. All right, guys. So at the house, made some food and everything. They're over there grubbing out. How is it? How's it?
Great.
You like it?
Love it. Thank you, man. Really good.
Ruben, you're not gonna have none of Daddy's food? Just cereal? I guess so. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. I didn't film a lot. Kind of don't want to share content. I wanted him to have his own content for what he was doing and stuff. So we could push you guys to go to his channel. So make sure you go to his channel. Link will be down in the description. So let's get him monetized, all right? So CDG fam strong. So go check out his channel. with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one, guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. Hey, baby girl. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.